is the song that we're learning today. Totally different from all the other folk rock and country songs that we learned, but this song is super fun and super cool. And what's more exciting is that we have an in-person music school here at Mechanics of Music, and all of our students are going to be playing this song next month at the Pride Festival. So we got ukuleles, guitars, drums, bass, pianos, and even our choir is learning this song. So I'm making this quick video so that they can play along and rock out, but everybody else on the internet can also learn and play and sing and have a blast. So Pink Pony Club by Chappell Roan. I've got my capo on the 5th fret, and we're gonna play C chords, and I'll go over the chords in a sec, but Chappell Roan plays it. You would have to put your capo on the 6th fret if you want to play along with the recording. That's important. She plays in the key of F sharp. We're gonna play it in the key of F. For a few reasons. Number one, that's an easier key for the ukuleles and all the other instruments to play along in. Key of F sharp is a little bit tricky. And she's a really good singer. She sings kind of high. We're gonna just bring it down a little bit. If it was just me, I would probably capo it maybe even 4th fret. But since I said we're playing along with all the other instruments, so that just tells you guys you can move the capo up or down. If you want to sing even higher than her, you can move the capo up. If you want to sing lower, move the capo down, maybe 3rd fret, 4th fret, something like that. Also play around with it and see how it feels with your voice. So the chords, we've got C chord. You'll see me doing this stretchy C with my 2 fingers here. That's just my go-to because I like to hit all the strings, but you could just do regular stretchy C and skip over that E string and just strum 5 strings. Then we have D minor. This is a little bit of a deceptively tricky chord. It's tricky because you really have to stretch all your fingers right out to the frets. If you slide back, you're gonna get that dead sound. So you wanna slide right up close and you gotta push pretty hard. My thumb is in the back of the neck, or you could have your thumb over for D minor, and then I'm strumming 5 strings. Okay? Then we've got A minor. We probably already know and love A minor. You could strum just 5, or you could strum all 6, but probably 5 strings. Sounds good. And then we have F, the dreaded F chord. You have to learn it eventually, guys. So I'm doing again this 2-finger F chord here, so I can get a little bit more low sound. You could also do bar chord F if you want. I don't usually do that unless there's a specific reason why I need a bar chord. And then you have to cover 2 strings here with that 1 finger. My thumb is also over the top on this chord, and it's muting that E string so that if I do accidentally hit it when I'm rocking out, then it doesn't make a bad sound. Because that string is actually not the right note. It's gonna sound bad with this chord. So if I mute it, and then when I strum, it's not gonna make a weird sound. The other chord we need is the G chord. That's just my normal G chord. We use this all the time. I've got my 2 fingers there, and then my fingers 1 and 2 on the A and E string. Okay? Strumming pattern. By the way, if you guys want to download the chart and follow along with everything that I'm doing and saying, you can go to mechanicsmusic.com, or in the description there's a link right to the chart. Anyway, strumming pattern. There's 3 main strums that I'm going to use in this song. Strum number 1 is down and up. This is a really good just filler strum, and I'm pretty relaxed with my wrist, and I just want to fill it in. The other strum I'm using is palm muting, which my palm actually touches the strings, and then I'm not letting a lot of chord sound through. This is what I'm going to do in the pre-chorus. I'm having wicked dreams of leaving Tennessee. Oh, Santa Monica. It really just builds up that energy. And then as I go, I can let a little bit more of the chord through by bouncing my right hand. And then by the end, I've lifted my palm off the strings completely, and I'm doing just down strums. That's 8th notes. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and... Really keep your wrist relaxed, guys. And when I'm doing that too with the palm muting, I'm focused on like the 4 low strings of the chord. I'm not really too worried about the high ones. I just want that energy, which is another reason why I do the C chord with those 2 fingers and the F chord, so I can get a lot of low notes of the chord. The other strum we're going to do is in the pre-chorus, when she's gonna do 2 big hits on the piano and the synthesizer and stuff. And it's gonna be on beat 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3. And then I'm gonna chop off the chord. God, what have you done? You're a pink pony girl, and you dance at the club. Oh, mama. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3. That is super cool. So those are our 3 strums. I'm gonna sort of vary it up a little bit. Make some notes on your page when you want to do each strum. And let's roll. Let's rock out this song. Just go for it with the singing, you guys. Pink Pony Club is an awesome song. Just be yourself, dance it out, have a great time. Here we go. Starting on our C chord. I'll start with actually single strums. Although in your head, imagine the amazing piano thing that starts. And our first note to sing, I know, is C, which is the first fret of our B string. That is a really good thing to know when you're singing a song. I know. Strum your C chord and just hum that note. You can pluck it out specifically. I know. Here we go. 2, 3, 4. I know you wanted me to stay, but I can't ignore the crazy visions of me in LA. I heard that there's a special place where boys and girls can all be queens every single day. I'm having wicked dreams of leaving Tennessee. Oh, Santa Monica, I swear it's calling me. Won't make my mama proud. It's gonna cause a scene. She sees her baby girl. I know she's gonna scream. God, what have you done? You're a pink pony girl, and you dance at the club. Oh, mama, I'm just having fun on the stage in my heels. It's where I belong, down at the Pink Pony Club. I'm gonna keep on dancing at the Pink Pony Club. I'm gonna keep on dancing down in West Hollywood. I'm gonna keep on dancing at the Pink Pony Club. Pink Pony Club. I'm up and jaws are on the floor. Lovers in the bathroom and a line outside the door. Black lights and a mirror disco ball. Every night's another reason why I left it all. Palm you. I thank my wicked dreams are here from Tennessee. Oh, Santa Monica, you've been too good to me. Won't make my mama proud. It's gonna cause a scene. She sees her baby girl. I know she's gonna scream. God, what have you done? You're a pink pony girl, and you dance at the club. Oh, mama, I'm just having fun on the stage in my heels. It's where I belong, down at the Pink Pony Club. I'm gonna keep on dancing at the Pink Pony Club. I'm gonna keep on dancing down in West Hollywood. I'm gonna keep on dancing at the Pink Pony Club. Pink Pony Club. Single strum. Don't think I've left you all behind. Still love you in Tennessee. You're always on my mind. Mama, every Saturday I can hear your southern drawl 1,000 miles away, saying, God, what have you done? You're a pink pony girl, and you dance at the club. Oh, mama, I'm just having fun on the stage in my heels. It's where I belong, down at the Pink Pony Club. I'm gonna keep on dancing at the Pink Pony Club. I'm gonna keep on dancing down in West Hollywood. I'm gonna keep on dancing at the Pink Pony Club. Pink Pony Club. Yes! So fun, you guys. Thanks for watching. Thanks for hanging out with this guitar lesson. Have fun with this song. Remember to like and share this video if you enjoyed it, and then again you can download the lyrics, and we have so many other songbooks on our website. We have campfire sing-along books, we've got other practice sessions, exercises, warm-up, stuff like that. So mechanicsmusic.com. You guys keep strumming, keep smiling. We'll see you in the next video.